Let us begin by understanding what competency-based education, or CBE, really means. Competency-based education is an approach to teaching, learning, and assessment that places the learner at the center of the educational journey. Unlike traditional education models that focus mainly on completing textbooks or spending a fixed number of hours in a classroom, CBE focuses on developing real skills and applying knowledge in meaningful ways. It empowers students by giving them a voice in their learning and by making learning relevant to the real world. The key features of CBE reflect its learner-focused philosophy. First, it promotes equity for all students. In a diverse country like ours, every student learns at a different pace and in a different way. CBE ensures that each learner gets a fair opportunity to succeed, regardless of their background or starting point. Second, it offers differentiated support based on individual learning needs. Whether a student excels in mathematics but struggles with reading, or has strong communication skills but needs help with science, CBE adapts to each student's strengths and weaknesses. Third, progress in a CBE system is not based on how much time a student spends in a classroom, but on evidence of mastery. This means that students move ahead only when they have fully understood a topic. This encourages true learning and reduces the pressure of finishing the syllabus. One of the most powerful tools of CBE is formative assessment, especially through peer and self-assessment. Students are encouraged to reflect on their own work, identify areas for improvement, and help others grow as well. This develops critical thinking, responsibility, and a growth mindset. The principles of CBE align perfectly with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, or self-reliant India. This national movement dreams of a strong, independent, and globally competitive country. But this dream cannot be fulfilled without an empowered and skilled population. Education and skill development lie at the very heart of this vision. With initiatives like Skill India Mission and Digital India, our country is focusing on equipping youth with practical skills that are directly useful in the job market. Competency-based education fits into this mission perfectly by promoting skill building from a young age. It focuses on real-life applications, from learning how to collaborate on a group project to understanding how to use technology meaningfully. Furthermore, industry-academia linkages through internships and apprenticeships make learning more connected to real-world scenarios. When students see how their classroom knowledge applies to jobs and careers, their motivation and confidence soar. Programs like Make in India and Startup India thrive when our youth are empowered with creativity, innovation, and practical competencies. In today's global workforce, communication, collaboration, creativity, and adaptability are just as important as academic excellence. CBE identifies these skills as core to student development. Imagine a 5th grade class working together to create a timeline of major inventions in science. They learn research skills, work as a team, understand history, and present their findings creatively. This is a perfect example of how competency-based learning empowers growth beyond textbooks. India is home to about 17.76% of the world's population, with one of the largest working-age populations. This is a powerful advantage, but only if we equip our youth with the right education. CBE is a timely and essential shift that can help transform our demographic potential into a skilled, productive, and globally competitive workforce. Instead of memorizing for exams, students now focus on understanding. This change means even those who once struggled with long answers can now do well because they grasp the why behind the facts. This also builds confidence and long-term retention of knowledge. With CBE, students learn to make small decisions in daily life, like planning an event, organizing tasks, or choosing environmentally friendly habits such as avoiding plastic. These choices build responsibility and awareness from a young age. Competency-based learning also encourages real-world simulations, like role plays in the classroom. For example, students might act out market scenarios to understand buying and selling, budgeting, and negotiation, all important life skills. Such hands-on experiences prepare us for both personal and professional challenges. To conclude, empowering growth through competency-oriented learning is not just about changing the way we study. It's about building a future-ready generation. A generation that can think, create, collaborate, adapt, and lead. Competency-based education gives us the tools to not only dream big but also to achieve those dreams in real life. As students, we no longer have to fit into a rigid system, the system is now adapting to fit us. By investing in CBE, we are investing in a stronger, more capable India, one that is Atmanirbhar, future-ready, and a beacon of inclusive and sustainable growth for the entire world. Thank you.